Hey, how's it going? So if y'all watched a couple videos back, I ended a video here fishing with the Guggen bumping bugs, and I was having a pretty good day on this creek. So I decided this afternoon I'll come over here with some actually these micro finesse Z-Mans jig heads, like the micro Ned rigs, and try that out here, because I've had these in my tackle box and haven't fished with them. I was going to save them for a video, and I've caught some pretty decent fish last video using the Guggen bumping bugs. So I was like, oh, I need to come out here with these, so hopefully I can get on a lot of fish and maybe a big bass through this creek again. First fish looks like a decent sized bluegill. I'm using the pink stingers first because the water is a little murky, or stained. Not really clear, but really cool looking bluegill. Thanks for eating, bud. Oh, is that a bass? Oh, is that the first bass? Come here. Yeah, it's a bass. No, it's a big old bluegill. Ooh, look at this joker. No, it's a red ear. Big old red ear. I can get a picture of this guy. All right, he's ready to go back in the water. Ready to go back in the water. Just let me get a hold of you, man. All right, thanks for eating, bud. If I get like 3 more of them, I'll be happy today. Oh, I can't believe he got hooked. Oh, it's a long gear too. Look at that. I tried forever to catch one of these the last video. It just spawned, considering how wide it is. We'll get a picture of them and I'll put them back. But when they turn white like this, they're spawning. All right, there you go. Man, okay, another big bluegill. There you go, bud. Hey, so I had to end this video pretty quick. I caught some decent bluegill, so I'll post this video just for fun because I caught some decent fish. But I have to run back to my house. I gotta go do something, so I wasn't able to fish the full length of the creek. So I probably maybe could have caught more, but I gotta call it early today. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video and watch the next one I post.